Astro-controlled drone, featuring infrared obstacle avoidance sensing, air pressure altitude hold, gravity sensing, etc. New technology. Before playing, remember to charge the aircraft to make sure the battery is fully charged. Then press and hold the power switch for 2 seconds to turn on the aircraft. Then place it on a flat desktop and wait for the indicator light to be solid bright for aircraft horizontal calibration. After calibration, put the aircraft in the palm and keep it as flat as possible, and then gently throw it up, and it will automatically take off. This smart drone has multiple built-in infrared sensing points, which allow you to hand sensing or obstacle sensing and control the flight. Astro-controlled drone is suitable for 2 to 4 players for interactive playing in open and windless indoor environment.